Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check battery cycles on MacBook. Checking battery cycles count on your MacBook is crucial to assess its overall battery health and determine when it might be time for maintenance or a battery replacement. So let's start the video. To check battery chart cycles on MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and then select System Settings from the drop-down menu. By the way, I'm using Ventura, which is currently the latest version of Mac OS. If you are using an older version of Mac OS, then the interface might be a bit different. Now on the left panel, click on General and then click on About section. Now scroll down and click on System Report button at the bottom. In System Report window, click on Power on the left panel. So this is Power. Click on it. Here you can see the battery cycle count of your MacBook under Health information. You can see the cycle count. You have successfully checked battery cycles. Count on your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video.